Today we will be making an individual microwave peach cobbler. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some peaches. You can use a few canned peaches, or you can use one of those little individual peach snack cups. Start out by placing your butter in the microwave and melting it. I usually do this for about 30 seconds, but you can do less if you feel more comfortable that way. After the butter is melted, pour in your vanilla extract and your milk. Then grab a fork and stir in your dry ingredients, which are your self-rising flour and your sugar. You want to thoroughly mix this, but don't worry if there are still a few lumps. After everything is mixed up, you'll then place your peaches in the bowl as well. Once everything is mixed up and the peaches are placed, you will then place it in the microwave and turn it on for 2 to 2.5 minutes and then check it. And if you need to microwave it longer, do it in 30-second intervals. Once your peach cobbler comes out of the microwave, you can place some vanilla ice cream on top of it and enjoy. Thank you for watching.